I'm always interested in finding healthier ways to get my morning caffeine fix. When I first heard about mushroom coffee, I was a bit skeptical. Coffee with mushrooms? It sounded a little weird, but the potential benefits like improved focus and less anxiety intrigued me. So, I decided to give Ryze a try, and here's my experience. Pros. Taste. I was pleasantly surprised. Ryze doesn't have an overpowering mushroom flavor. Instead, it's smooth and earthy, much milder than traditional coffee. I especially liked the mocha flavor. Reduced jitters. This is the biggest pro for me. With regular coffee, I often get a bit shaky and anxious if I have too much. With Ryze, I felt a more balanced and sustained energy boost without the jitters. Focus. I did feel an improvement in focus and mental clarity. It wasn't an extreme change, but a noticeable difference compared to regular coffee. Overall well-being. I'm not sure if it's purely because of the mushrooms, but I felt a little better overall since switching to Ryze. It could be a combination of reduced caffeine intake and the potential benefits of the functional mushrooms. Cons. Price. Ryze is definitely pricier than regular coffee. It's a trade-off between potential benefits and how much you're willing to spend. Not a total coffee replacement. If you love the strong, bold flavor of traditional coffee, Ryze won't fully replace that experience. It's a different beast. Individual results. Everyone's experience with functional mushrooms might be a little different. While I felt some benefits, others might find them subtle. Should you try Ryze? I'd say if you're curious about the potential benefits of mushroom coffee and are willing to invest in your morning routine, Ryze is worth trying. Don't expect miracles, but it might be a healthier, less jittery option than regular coffee, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.